Hey everybody, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thank you for taking the time to check out our website. Today we're going to go over a 2019 Jayco J-Flight 28 BHS. We're going to start off going over the interior and finish off going over the exterior features. Follow me inside. In the rear of the trailer, we've got the two corner bunks. Watch your head there. We've got the two corner bunks with a ladder. Down below, we've got some really great storage. Good place to put big items. We've got about half of that space underneath the bed there. Next to it, we've got an awesome bathroom. One of the best showers out there in a trailer. This has got just a ton of room. It's awesome. Corner toilet, so good leg room, good counter space here, cabinet, sink, storage. As we move into the living area, I love the colors in this trailer, the gray. So a nice couch here. It does come out into a bed, a really nice bed actually. Then we move down, we've got the U-shaped dinette, large dinette. Right now it's made down into the bed position, so we just fill it in with these cushions and move on for sleeping. As we move to the front of the trailer, we've got the private bedroom here. We've got storage across. Hanging on one side and shelves on the other. We've also got storage below. It meets up with that pass-through storage on the outside. Across from your U-shaped dinette, you have a nice kitchen here, big sink, nice tall faucet, good cabinets with good storage. Microwave, hood, 3-burner stove, your oven, bank of drawers here, and a large cabinet, a good place to put a garbage can. You've actually got room down below there. I like that. So we've got a nice Norcold fridge here, a little bit bigger fridge than a lot of other trailers have. This is the 8 cubic feet. Nice lip up here in the freezer. I prefer the Norcolds. They're the way to go if you can get them. Nice big TV. All-in-one storage here. This will do DVDs, CDs, AM, FM, MP3, USB, Bluetooth. You've got your storage here for any other components you might want to bring along. And really great storage here. Shelves and more hanging space. Obviously, anybody using the bunks can use this. Let's go outside. Oh, before we go, we'll just point out real quick, the buttons are all here, hidden behind a cabinet door. Your monitor, your lights, your awning, your slide, and then you've got some more additional storage right here that they used. I think that's a pretty good use of space myself. So let's come outside, go over some of the features out here. One of the most popular features here is this outside kitchen. We've got our little 2-burner stove with a sink, little fridge, everything you need for cooking and preparing meals outside. We do have electric stabilizers on this trailer, so you've got controls here. Got a big electric awning that's going to cover this outside kitchen. You've got a ladder for checking your roof seals, your water heater. This is actually your power cord in the back of the trailer. Kind of handy to have it there, easy to get to. LED lights all the way around. Here's your cable and satellite input. Your dump station below here, your gray and your black. Your city water connection here. You've got a hot and cold outside shower, and you have black tank flush on this trailer. All those features you kind of find standard on trailers these days. You got the flush mounted windows with the dark tint that just look great. People really like those. And then we've got your pass-through exterior storage here. That was under the bed in the front of the trailer. So this trailer does come with the larger 7.5 gallon 2 tanks, and we're going to fill those. We're going to provide 2 batteries, 2 12-volt interstates in a box. We're going to provide a customer care kit. It's going to have all the hoses and hookups you need to get out there and go camping. We really get you ready to go when you come and do business with us. So again, my name is Jason.Fairchild. If I can answer any questions on any of the RVs we have, please call me directly. You can reach me at 541-228-6057. Thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this video.